Well, there are many questions without answers right now surrounding the new Omicron variant.
So what can you do to take control in a situation that feels uncontrollable? 10 TV's Clay Gordon has more on steps you can take in the next few weeks.
The rollout of the COVID-19 antiviral pills is still unknown, but it is a familiar process for local pharmacists.
Now, if it really proves very effective, and there's still question as to how effective these are going to be, and there's a huge demand, then perhaps more practitioners like pharmacists may become involved in the prescribing of the drug, but that would take a state legislative change.
Similar to pharmacists giving COVID-19 vaccinations, which according to the Ohio Pharmacists Association, 70% of vaccines and boosters are administered by local pharmacists.
Pharmacists right now are providers under the law, and they could be given the permission. And so I expect there to be some movement, whether it's this drug or another. It really depends on how available it is and whether there's demand from the public.
Then there is your medicine cabinet, which should be checked to see if you have supplies at home to fight COVID-19.
I recommend making sure you've got a thermometer at home, make sure you've got Tylenol and ibuprofen, make sure they're in date. Make sure you have some Pedialyte or Gatorade or some sort of fluids if you were feeling bad. Kleenex, cough drops, those are great things to have on hand if you get sick.
And an at-home test kit.
Besides updating your COVID-19 preparedness kit at home, the best thing you could do to keep yourself safe.
We just really recommend that everyone 18 or older, that's 6 months from their first dose, gets a booster shot. Make sure you get your flu shot too while you're at it.
I'm Clay Gordon, 10 TV News.
We reached out to the Ohio Department of Health on COVID-19 antiviral pills and distribution across the state. Our questions remain unanswered tonight. Right now on 10tv.com, you'll find the Ohio Department of Health is reporting more than 6,700 cases. Our digital team works hard every day to bring you comprehensive coverage of COVID. You'll find links of cases by county and important resources from ODH. It's available for you right now and always on 10tv.com.